Marian Soup of Nido. Guys, unang breakfast sa Marian Soup Hotel. Hello guys, good morning. Tapos na kami breakfast. Ay, nag-bird pa ako. Ngayon mag-aano naman kami, island hopping. Hello. Set. Guys, mag-island hopping tayo. Welcome to El Nido. Wow. So, check time 9:15 na guys. So kahapon in-advise ng Coast Guard na canceled yung lahat ng island hopping from 22 to 25. Pero kanina inaprubahan yung Tour A at Tour D. Aso. Yee! Island hopping! Kwanto mo si aso pa no?
That's not very far from here.
Guys, dito actually may mayroong bagyo, pero parang wala naman. Ay no, ang daming mga nag-aantay ng boat. Lapit lang guys, dyan yung mga resort, hotel. Tapos silang meters lang dito sa dagat. Lahat yan guys mag-island hopping. Dito na kami sa Bangka. May second floor siya.
Ready po?
Ready for island hopping. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa first namin stop. Basa naman. Guys, we're going to island hopping.
May sinabi niyong Coast Guard, wala? Alas 3?
Oops, si husband.
Free breakfast. Okay, so just only lunch. Okay, but that food we serve to you in our third destination, Rain Island Traveling Tours. Okay, and then also welcome on board. And then the name of our boat is Rain Island number 2. Okay, so everyone, you should to remember the name our boat. Okay, because in the island there's a lot of boat in there, same color, same size, but different name. Okay, like a same but different. Okay. And then also everyone, if you are going to a different boat, so maybe see you tomorrow or see you in the next island. So that's why you should remember the name of our boat, okay? And then also everyone, my name is Darwin, so one of your tour guide here in the El Nido, Palawan. And then also our boat captain, Kapitan GR, the Jack Sparrow of El Nido. Yes. And also they have 2 lifeguard here in the boat. His name is Mr. Rap there in the back. And Mr. Ren.
Ren, Ren.
So everyone, any problem or any questions, so please everyone don't hesitate, okay? Because we are willing to help you, except in the financial problem and also time. Okay? Yes. So everybody, are you ready? Yeah. We're in the part of E-Tour or Tour A, am I right?
Yes.
So in the Tour A, everybody, so they have composed about 5 different destinations, include our lunch. Okay, but this morning we are going to our first stop, so that's snorkeling and also diving site. Okay, so our boat cannot get closer in the shore, so our boat stop in the middle. Okay, so from them you're gonna do swimming, snorkeling, and also you're gonna do snoring. So that's your second option.
Snoring.
Yeah, that's in your second option, snoring. Okay? Yes. And then after that, everyone, we are going to our second destination. So that's Seventh Commando Beach. Okay? So that area is a nice beach, and also they have a small bar and also a toilet. So if you wanna use it, so just go there. Okay? And then after that, we are going to our third destination. So that's my favorite place. So that's our lunch area. So the name of our lunch area is Umbrella or Payong Payong. Okay. And then in the afternoon, we have 2 more destination. Okay. So that's the highlights our tour. So that's Secret Lagoon and also Big Lagoon. Okay. So later on, the Secret Lagoon is not a secret anymore. Okay. And then our last stop is Big Lagoon. So that area, everyone, you're gonna do kayaking. Okay, because they have a rental kayak in there, and then that's the only way going inside of that place. Inside the Big Lagoon.
Paddleboarding as well.
Pardon?
Paddleboarding?
We don't have a paddle boarding in there. Just only ordinary kayak like that. So that size good for 2 person, just only 300 pesos. And then if you wanna use it or if you wanna rent the bigger kayak, so they have there, but that's a different price. Okay, so if you wanna rent that, just only 500 pesos for 3 person. Okay, and then also everybody, we are going to island hopping tour, so they have a simple rules and regulation we should to follow. Okay, so first, for the people who are not good swimmers, so you need to wearing a life jacket, because our primary concern is about in your safety. Okay, and Well, yeah, it's front.
Malco. Oops, wait.
Kami kayo po.
Ay, taga-video lang.
Taga-video. Pagtapos na kayo umihi, akit na ha.
Seven Commandos Beach. Guys, Seven Commando Beach. Marco, bili tayo buko. Fresh juice. Kailangan pala meron ka na sa gitna. Oh my gulay. Naka-fresh buko ka sa Seven Commando Malco ah.
Coconut po, coconut. Tomato po ba?
Okay, thank you.
Coffee, coffee.
Fresh coconut. Malco, simot na simot ah. Oh? Mas malauhog sa iyo. Tignan mo. Guys, magla-lunch kami.
Balik na tayo, sir.
Wow.
Kaya nga magsundo, usulod ka, magkaya ka.
Gali ka, makasul ka, ikupon, mabunpo ka.
Guys, yung secret lagoon. Yan yung sitwasyon. Ang lakas ng alon. Karen.
Nagalit din.
Ba't hindi pa nakakapasok sila? Oh my gulay.
Bagyo ba yun na nailis ba?
Gawas naman ni siya.
Ay! Lakas! Oh my gulay.
Nakasulog ko eh. Ang babae, di sulog na. Kapang.
Nang pumasok Secret Lagoon. Kasi parang ano na eh. Ang lakas ng ano.
Ang ba na to na no?
Ganda. Ayun. Guys, nandito na kami sa Big Lagoon. Kayaking. Pero naulan. Pero delicious ang ulan. Oh my.
Tapon mo kito na from tubig. Aroy, ara! Ara! Number lang! Dapat na gano'n!
Snowboard here or just kayak?
Just kayaking activities only, ma'am.
Only kayak.
Yeah, only kayaking is made inside.
Only kayaking natin.
Guys, tapos na ang tour island hopping. Ito na, pabalik na kami. Yung town proper. Ooh. Guys, fresh. Bagong ligo. Nakatulog siya sa bano. Pupunta kami ngayon ng town proper. Ano sa town proper na tayo, di ba? Kakain kami sa labas, guys. Kain kami ng inihaw. Ngayon tingin ng mga souvenir. Kaya dinala namin yung bag na Nike. Night. Ang daming ano. Laptop. Parang ano din siguro. Ganon. Guys, 6:30 ng gabi here in El Nido. Maghahanap tayo ng makakainan for dinner. Naulan dito guys medyo. Ako dito din yung may seafoods.
Tingin muna tayo doon.
Ha?
Tingin muna tayo doon.
Tingin muna tayo doon. Sige.
Tapos meron po.
Hindi, plain lang ako man po.
Lahat naman po may mga rice na po yan, sir.
Okay,
Bali, apat
sige.
na po yung rice nila.
Okay, sige.
Welcome po. Excellent po, sir.
Sige. Nagbibigyo.
Boss, pwede pa palitan sa mug? Meron ba yung mug? Oo.
Pineapple juice and calamansi. Pampano. Squid, vegetable. Guys, sinigang na hipon. Pag-pray na natin ito. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Salamat sa Panginoon sa mga pagkakulit mo sa Panginoon. Guys, sweet and sour. Ano tomato? Fries. Guys, oh. Massage. Guys, magpapamassage kami dyan. Sa husband. Latte. Masarap magpamassage, Malco. Thumbs up, ah. El Nido, Palawan. Lakad-lakad pagkatapos magpamassage. Guys, so naulan kasi dito eh. Oh, tara dito. Tingin kami guys ng souvenir. Tingin tayo dito. Massage pa. Head massage. Full body massage. Ito yung Robix Hotel Malco. Malapit lang natin.
Pero ba sa ano?
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo.
Hotel lang talaga siya.
Hotel lang. Pero ang dami kasing ano, parang complain gano'n.
Diyan.
Oo. Marco, gusto. Ice cream. Guys, so
Naputik pala rito sa kaulan.
oo. Ganito yung ganap kapag gabi. Bukas lahat. Dito may laundry, Malco.
Ganyan ako, Michael.
Ha? Eh, ang ano mo eh, nung tag dyan? Balikat mo. Ano naman dyan? Isa pa. Isa pa daw.